All right, in this video, we are going to be replacing the Y motor pack. So first thing we're going to do here is take the tension off of the belt. So we're going to loosen up our Y tensioner. And then go ahead and take another screwdriver and push that so all of the tension is shifted off of that, and then tighten it up. Now you can see that belt is nice and loose. Slip our Y truck out of the way. You can then secure a 8mm wrench. We don't have to remove these screws entirely. Loosen them up enough that we can lift that motor pack right up and out. And then unplug the motor pack from the board. And you've removed the Y motor pack. Now to put the motor pack back in, we basically do the same thing in reverse. Make sure that the screws are loosened up. Go ahead and lace over. Tighten the screws back down. When you do tighten these down, we want to keep the motor pack basically flush with the top, and we want to keep the screws as low as we can. We don't want them to ride up where they can possibly pop out. Once we have secured the motor pack back in place, simply loosen the tensioner up, allow it to put the tension back on. Put your finger next to the tensioner. That just keeps the tensioner from walking back as we tighten the screw up, and tighten that screw securely down. You want that screw good and tight so that the tension never doesn't get pulled off the belt. Lastly, plug the motor pack back into that circuit board. And we're done.